with in accordance with the law. Let me also tell you, it is the same reason that I am enhancing the budget for the judiciary, because I want the judiciary to appropriate their responsibility and mandate to deal with corruption firmly, decisively, but also in a timely manner, so that we don't have corruption cases running for 3, 4, 5, 10 years. They must be dealt with expeditiously. And that is the clarity that I have made to the judiciary, that we respect their independence. The Chief Justice is free to call me whenever she has called me a few times to discuss with me. She wants additional charges. I pushed to Parliament that let us have an additional 70 charges. Parliament went and reduced it to, I think, 50, which is okay. It's a good start, you know, because I think we need more men and women in the judiciary to adjudicate on all cases, including corruption cases. She came to me about the budget. We came and discussed with her the areas they wanted in the budget. They wanted a few, they wanted this small claims court. We provided the funding for it. The first one is in Nairobi. We gave them the resources to make sure that they begin the small claims court and another hustler court. It's a smaller court. I don't know whether I'm saying the right one, but that one. Because she said she wants to do bottom up.
Small claims court.
Small claims. Yeah, so small claims we provided the resources for it. She came back to me and told me she wants to complete, I think they have about 20 different buildings in different places for courts around the country. That's why I have put money, because that's why I have given them an extra 4 billion shillings, because it is my commitment that we should build the capacity of the judiciary to be able to handle cases. We should build the capacity of the DCI. We should build the capacity of the EACC so that they can do their job. I cannot do everything. I'm a human being.
That's true, Your Excellency. With the capacity also comes responsibility.
Yes.
Those officers that you've mentioned are the ones that have been involved in what we can call the debacle about dropping of cases. The DPP goes to courts and says, I was expecting the DCI to give me more information. The DCI has not given me more information, so I have nothing to take this case forward. The controller of budget went to Parliament, and she actually also spoke about what happened with regards to the Telecom Kenya payment. Now, these are officers who they're independent constitutionally, but they have sworn an oath of office on how to do their job. Do you think they ought to take responsibility for these actions, for taking somebody to court over 8 years, no prosecution proceeds, and then a case is dropped on account of, I do not have evidence?
They are the best placed to answer those questions. And they should answer those questions. I mean, if you've taken somebody to court for 8 years, and then you actually did not have a case against them, it was orchestrated, it was malicious, you have something to answer, you know? Because my understanding, from what I have seen in the courts, is that there are people who have been taken to court, and the cases have never moved, you know, from day one. You know, the cases have never made even a step. And it is the reason why I asked Kinoti to resign and leave. Because he was involved in the exercise of politicizing the criminal justice system.
Is that sufficient?
Which is unacceptable to me. You know, which is unacceptable to me. So, and you can ask Mr. Amin. You can ask the new IG. He rarely receives a call from me on anything, because I want them to do their job. My friend, I have a job to do here. I wake up early, I sleep late. I don't have time to go and do the job of a policeman. I don't have to go and do the job of a judge. Let them also do it.